everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Very delicious. Pan-fried chicken breast is all ready. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious and simple and quick and easy pan-fried chicken breast recipe. These are the spices I'm going to use. It's not that you have to use these. You can use any of these. Like I'm using salt, black pepper, ground ginger. This is very fine garlic powder. If you don't have it, you can use a granulated powder. This is just the option I showed to you. So I'm not using this. I'm using garlic fine powder. Same thing with onion. You can use granulated onion or you can use a chopped onion. I'm not going to use chopped onion. I'm going to use granulated onion. If you want to make it a little spicy, then add red crushed pepper and olive oil. And the chicken breast I have is washed, so make sure that it's pat and dry, nicely dried off. Take the plate off. There is a little fat. If you like fat, you can keep it or you just trim it off. And there is some little fat on this side. You can trim that as well. So now what you need to do, put your hand right here on top of it, and we're going to slice it right in the middle, just like this. So we're going to keep slicing and make sure that we're not going to cut all the way through. We're going to make it like a butterfly. See how nice, beautiful it looks? So I'll transport this one into the plate. The chicken breasts look really nice. I'm going to use salt to taste and the black pepper, ginger, garlic powder, onion powder, and red crushed pepper. Now we're going to massage it. Look at this, very nice. Now we're going to turn it over and we're going to repeat the same process. Red crushed pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, black pepper, and salt. You can put it at one place like I did on this side. You can put it right in the middle. Then we're going to massage it. It's going to coat it nicely on the chicken breast. As we see, it's nicely coated. Now we'll take this one to our gas and we're going to pan fry. We're going to start the burner and we're going to keep the gas on low. Get a fry pan, add olive oil, and we're going to make sure that it's nicely coated. As I mentioned, that we're going to keep the gas on low. We're going to place the chicken breast. On low gas, we're going to cook it. Cooking for 2 minutes. As you see, it starts to change the color. We're going to turn it over. Look at it. Very nice, delicious color. And now, on a low gas, you need to cook it. Now, with the lid, cover it and let it cook. With the cover lid, we cook it 3 minutes on this side. As you see, with the moisture, it's going to keep the chicken breast moist. Very delicious. This is very easy and a simple recipe on low gas. Don't turn your heat up. Keep it low. Now we're going to cover it. Cook it 2 more minutes on this side. So initially we cooked 2 minutes with the open lid, then 3 minutes with the cover lid, now 2 minutes on this side. Within 7 minutes, your chicken breast will be perfectly done. It's another 2 minutes. Now I'm going to open the lid. Very delicious. Pan-fried chicken breast is all ready. I have my platter ready and I'm going to pull it out. Very delicious chicken breast. Let me share with you. I'll add some more olive oil. Just going to make sure that I have my second batch. This is very delicious recipe. Please try it. For the video purposes, I showed you one how to make it, and this is where you do it if you have to make it more. The first 2 minutes, cook it with open lid. Then do the same process. And let me share with you the chicken breast, pan-fried chicken breast. As you've seen, it is so easy to make the chicken breast, pan-fried chicken breast. Please try it and you're going to like it. You can use any of these. You can eat chicken breast as is or put it into bread by adding some relish, ketchup, mustard, hot chili sauce or ranch. And I hope you like this video. If you like it, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.